Okay, so today, guys, I'm going to do a tier maker on on snacks and chips. So first up, I'm gonna do Chex Mix. Ew, I never really liked Chex Mix. They taste horrible. Combos, never had it. Animal crackers. I'll give it a D because I don't really like them. They just taste too cookie. Like, they taste too sweet. Cheetos, I personally like. I'll give it a B. Cheez-Its, I hate cheese. Wow, that was so easy. Chex Mix. Why is there two types of Chex Mix? Buggles. Yeah. I'll give it an F. I never really liked Buggles. Combos. Never had it. Doritos. And I'll give it a D. Corn Nuts. Never had any. Cosmic Brownies. I'll give it an A. Sun Chips. Never had it. Fritos. I'll give it an F. Welch's Fruit Snacks. Funyuns. I'll have to give it an S. Like, they taste so good. Goldfish. Maybe not. I'll give it a C. Sun Chips taste disgusting. It's a little better though. Hot Cheetos. Hate it. I hate spicy stuff. Jack Links. I don't really like beef jerky, but it's kind of good. I'll give it a C. Lay's Barbecue. Gotta go A. Cheese balls, I don't really like cheese balls. I've never really tried them anyways. I'll give it a D. Oh, potato chips. Top of my list. Not top, but I give it a B. Lay's chips. Any Lay's chips, I'll give an A. Pringles. I don't like Pringles that much. I'll give it a D. Why'd I give it an F? I thought that was D. Either way, I'll give it a D. Tostitos. I can't really explain Tostitos. Anyways, I'll give it a B. Wafers. I love wafers. Doritos, same. D, 2. There's 2 Doritos. Classic Lay's. Oh, those are my favorite. I gotta give an S. I'm sorry for those 2, sour cream and barbecue, but either way, I love them. Pringles, any Pringles, I'll give a D. Ruffles, with the dip, they taste great, but just plain, I gotta give it an F. What are those? Peanuts. A C. I have to give it a C. I can't really explain those. Dang. Stackies. I don't like them. Horrible. Bottom. My worst thing ever. I hate them. Okay, Goldfish. Dang. Why is there so much of the same snack but different? Oh. Popcorn. Oh. Why'd it go there? Either way, popcorn. I don't really like popcorn, and it tastes too buttery. I'll give it a B. Rolled gold pretzels, gotta be D. I mean, like, come on, guys. Pretzels taste too bitter. Cheetos. Cheetos Puffs like a sun-made. Ew! Raisins taste disgusting. Comment down below. Raisins suck if you hate raisins. Oh. Sunflower seeds? I'll give it a D because cause they're just a rank D. I wouldn't put it anywhere else because it feels weird doing that. Ritz, I gotta do enough. I don't really like Ritz. That's horrible. Actually, I'm gonna change Ruffles to a D. And there we go. Ruffles, cheddar. Oh, I hate cheddar. Boom. Trash can. Sea salt vinegar. Trash. Trash. Pringles. I like Pringles. Doritos? This type is way better. But I gotta tell you, I'm still putting it at a D. Oh, these taste so good. Sun chips. Disgusting. Tostitos. B. Never had it. Never had it. And the last one. Goldfish Flavor Blasted. I'll put it at C because any other one would just feel weird putting it there. Oh, it says pizza. Oh, I forgot. I hate that type. I'm going to put it way down here. F. Okay. I am done with this. Comment down below any of these snacks if you think they should be at S. The top one. Okay. Remember to like, subscribe, and share if you want to. But for now, I'll see you at another tier maker.